In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your email tasks using Outlook with Copilot enabled. Managing emails effectively can be a game changer in staying productive and organized, especially if you're juggling multiple tasks or projects simultaneously. Let's get started by diving into Outlook, where Copilot can help us streamline our follow-up process. First, launch your Outlook application. With Copilot enabled, you'll notice a whole new level of assistance available to you. Once Outlook is open, our first task is to ask Copilot to generate a list of pending email follow-ups. Copilot is a robust AI tool that helps you manage your inbox more efficiently. You simply need to command Copilot to list all pending follow-ups. This means any emails you've previously flagged for a response or need further action will be compiled into an easy-to-access list. This comprehensive view helps you prioritize your workload, ensuring important follow-ups don't slip through the cracks. Now that you have your list of pending follow-ups, let's move on to drafting and scheduling those emails. Copilot excels in helping you compose messages by suggesting content or highlighting essential points based on previous conversations or documents. When drafting your follow-up emails, consider the tone and content. Be direct but courteous, ensuring that your message is both clear and concise. Additionally, Copilot can assist you in scheduling these emails to be sent at your preferred times. Scheduling is a fantastic feature when dealing with recipients in different time zones or when you want to ensure your follow-up lands at the top of their inbox at a specific time. Take advantage of this feature by specifying the exact day and time for each email to be sent, aligning perfectly with your goals for maintaining prompt communication. Finally, before you finalize and send your messages, it's crucial to review them. This involves a thorough check for accuracy, tone, and any attachments you need to include. Look out for any typos or grammatical errors that might have slipped through. Fortunately, with Copilot's intelligent assistance, much of this editing process is streamlined, but a final review is always a best practice. Once you're satisfied with your emails, go ahead and send your messages or let the scheduled send times take over. This blend of AI assistance and personal oversight ensures your communications are professional and timely, making a positive impression on your recipients. And there you have it. Using Outlook with Copilot enabled makes it seamless to handle email follow-ups efficiently. By harnessing the power of AI for listing follow-ups, drafting, scheduling, and finally reviewing your emails, you save valuable time and elevate your communication skills. Hopefully, this makes your everyday tasks a lot easier to manage. So the next time you need to organize your email follow-up,